It starts with you, your world, and your employees. You face all kinds of challenges as you work to build your organization. You want to engage and retain the right talent, optimize your benefit and compensation programs for a diverse workforce, and build a culture of excellence to become their employer of choice. But it's hard to deliver all this with skyrocketing costs, constantly changing regulations, and increasing complexity. The right answers aren't always clear. So it's important to start with the right questions, such as what do you want to achieve and what does success look like? Of course, success comes in many forms, from managing risk and complying with regulation, or designing and communicating an effective wellness program. From helping employees prepare for a secure retirement, to offering compensation which is meaningful in recruitment and retention, and all while balancing administrative burdens. The ultimate goal is the success which comes from managing costs, achieving long-term growth, and motivating top talent to put your organization ahead of the competition. And you don't have to face these challenges alone. Our people and culture are dedicated to yours. With Arthur J. Gallagher & Company, your challenges become ours as we work to understand your organization and your employees, help you identify unique opportunities, and then make the most of them. You can count on services that constantly evolve to help you manage your total spend on employees, not just on benefits. You seek solutions. Ours are provided by Gallagher Consultants, driven by data and insights from proprietary analytics and benchmarking, in-house legal specialists, analysts, and actuaries, and tools that evaluate your workforce and sustainability. Our global presence with specific local and industry expertise means that your customized solutions deliver value and meet your needs wherever you do business. It's a partnership to develop the right benefits and compensation strategy that strengthens your employee relationships and avoids unnecessary costs. Yes, challenges are everywhere, and so are solutions, but only the right solutions get the results you need. It's what you should expect from a trusted partner. Contact a Gallagher consultant today to start the conversation about how to begin achieving your most important goals.